So as I scroll down, we come down to the section called Customer Questions and Answers. And you're going to notice something unusual, something that most people don't do or you haven't seen very often. Maybe 1 out of 5,000 products on Amazon has done this at this point. You can answer customer questions with video. All right, so for our next tip, we're going to go over to the catalog. Coming back to my mom box gift set, and by the way, with this product, I did $144,000 in the first 30 days when I launched this. And what's really cool about it is I did just the basics, just basically what you're seeing in this video today. PPC, SEO, design, and catalog. No external traffic, no product giveaways, none of the gimmicks or hacks that only work maybe back in the day. But today in 2023, you can stick to just the basics and you will have success on Amazon. And that's really the main theme of our video today. So as we scroll down in this product, when we think about cataloging, you can do some of the boring stuff like template file uploads, but I'm going to give you a really basic one that you can execute today. So as I scroll down, we come down to the section called Customer Questions and Answers. And you're going to notice something unusual, something that most people don't do or you haven't seen very often. Maybe 1 out of 5,000 products on Amazon has done this at this point. You can answer customer questions with video. Look at this. I can quickly right there, click on the video. We have somebody talking about this product. We didn't even put them on camera. It was just a lazy test to see if we could do it. And it took less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is click on the question, click on this video icon. And I do recommend that you add a little bit of text, a couple of sentences, just for the SEO purposes. As all ships rise together, you want to really tie in these 4 strategies together. And what you learn from PPC can affect your SEO strategy. What you learn from SEO can affect your catalog strategy or your design and vice versa. So what's really cool about this is you can load the video and then not only can you have one video here, but every single one of your questions that is being asked, you can shoot a video and answer them. Now, I have in front of me here my own kits, and I want to show you how we could do this. So if somebody was going to ask me about my product, where is this product made? I could say, hey, this product's made in the United States. My name is Steven. I'm going to show you some of the things that come with this product. So not only do you have lots of fun things like some of this confetti, if you were. Now I'm balding and it could go on top of my head and really give me a new style and haircut. So you could add a couple jokes in there, but then you could start doing an unboxing video where you say, hey, cool, here's some lotion. This really smells like that raspberry medley and it's a spring scent. This comes with soap and you get a tumbler so your mom can drink out of the tumbler. It even has a bath bomb. And by the way, we've got you covered. It comes with a card and you can write on the card. We have a little bit of white space in the back, but you don't have to. If you just gave them the box and shipped it direct from Amazon, it'll have a card where it says, all you need is mom. And so there's this opportunity that you can now merchandise your product. And this is why I put this in the catalog section of the video today, because I wanted to make a point that when you catalog, you're merchandising product on Amazon. And so what's really cool is not only can you merchandise the product for one question in one video, but you can do this repeatedly for every product that you have. Just put somebody in charge of answering customer questions like this. Now you can come in and upvote the one that you want to have the video that's the highest. They do sort this by upvotes, believe it or not. And you can showcase and merchandise and unbox a product like you've never done before. So that's my tip on catalog. There's a lot of other catalog things that you can do and fill in attributes and make sure all of your data is loaded, and sometimes it's troubleshooting and Amazon brand registry issues, and I have to change my UPC code or my brand name. And we all love working with seller support and trying to deal with all of these things. I have 1,500 videos, and I would say the bulk of my videos talk about troubleshooting problems just like that. So you want to subscribe and check out all those videos.